Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so this is a video of class 10, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the homologous series. Okay, so this actually come in the organic chemistry, and homo means same, and logos means membrane. Okay, na? Homo means same, and logos means same membrane. That means it is made up of two words. That one is same membrane, homo plus logos. Okay, so you can see that the definition actually it tell us the series of organic compounds. So that means the organic compounds series would be there, and in which all the member compounds can be represented by same general formula. So what does it mean? And we will discuss here. In the next line it is written the general formula. Suppose I have taken CnH2n, so we will see what is that one, and then we will see again the definition part of that. Okay, so here you can see that homologous series, homologous series, homo plus logos. Homo matlab same, and this logos means membrane. Okay, na? Same membrane. Okay, now if I will take some general formula, suppose if I have taken one alkane general formula, that one is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, I have to write a series of compounds on the basis of this one, on the basis of this formula, where I will take n is equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. Okay, na? And so on. Then we will see a number of compound will form, and that belongs from the same family, which general formula it is. Okay, na? So we will go and write the different organic compounds name. The general formula, you know, na? What is general formula? CnH2n plus 2. We are going to write when n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, this C1H2 into 2 plus 2. Okay, na? So what would be there? Cn, oh sorry, n is equal to 1, no? So n equal to 1. So what would it be there? CH2 1 is 2 plus 2, CH4. Then after second one, if you will put the n equal to 2, in n equal to 2, n equal to 2, the formula would be C2H6. If you will put n equal to 3, the formula would be C3H8. If you will put n equal to 4, C4H10. If you will put n equal to 5, C5H2 into 5, 10 plus 12. Okay, na? So what do you know? You can see here, this one is the first member, this one is the second member, this one is the third member, fourth member, fifth member. Okay, and you can see the difference between this CH4 and C2H6. If I will subtract this C2 from this C1, what I will get? 1C. If I will subtract the HC6 from H4, what I will get? CH2. Okay, na? Take some successive member, consecutive members, either from top of the organic compounds in a series, and from the bottom of that one. If I will take C5H12 and C4H12, 10. So what would be the difference? You can say C5, C4. What would be the difference? C5, C4. That means one carbon difference is there. C12, H10, CH2 is there. So you have understood that the homologous series, if I will write any of the organic compounds in a series, then there would be the difference between the successive member, and that one is CH2, CH2, capital 2 H and then 2. So capital H you have to write, and if you will count the CH2, the atomic mass or molecular mass would be 14 mass unit. Okay now, so you can derive this homologous series for the alkane also, for the alkene also, for the alkyne also, but only one difference would be there in the general formula. Okay, if I will write here CnH2n, so this one is alkene na? Alkene. So you can see, if I will write n equal to 1, that is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because the carbon double bond will start from 2 carbon, and equal to what? And equal to number of carbon atom. So alkene, in alkene I have to take 2, not 1. This is only thing in alkene and alkyne case. Rest of that the same would be there. Okay now, here the explanation is there in the alkane case. Okay, and one more thing it is written here, in homologous series all the alkanes have a similar chemical properties. You know, CH4 is there, C2H6 is there, C3H8 is there, C4H10 is there. Okay now, so all are alkanes, and all alkanes derived from same general formula, so they have similar chemical properties. Okay dear student, now you can see next thing, and that one would be the characteristic of homologous series. And that characteristic of homologous series we will discuss. All the member of a homologous series can show common chemical property. This I have discussed all the member of a homologous series. So suppose if I will discuss in detail, if I will talk about the alkyne would be the newer thing. So CnH2n minus 2. Okay na? And here I have told you, in alkene case and alkyne case, the number of carbon is not start from 1, it will start from 2. So n equal to 2, what would be there? C, n equal to 2, H, 2 into 2 4 minus 2, what would be the result? C2H2. okay now, what would be the next one? C3H, 3 into 2 6 minus 2 4 na. So you can actually put onto this one, C3H, 2 into 3 6 minus 2, so C3H4. now you can write by yourself, add only CH2. You know na, in the homologous series the successive member is differ by CH2 or 14 U atomic mass. Okay na, so C3H2, add CH2, what would be there? C3H4, C4, and H4 plus 2 H6. okay na, next one would be C5H8. okay na, so that one. And all these chemical properties of C2H2, C3H4, C4H6 and C5H8 would be similar. okay na, nothing difference you will see. And then after, all the members of homologous series can be prepared by common methods of preparation. All the member of homologous series. okay na, if I am telling that alkyne can give you alkene, what is the formula of alkyne? Not alkyne, ethyne. CH triple bond, CH, ethyne, and you have to change this into the ethene. So addition reaction would be there. Addition of hydrogen can give you ethene. So all the whatever you are taking, ethyne, propyne, butane plus H2, addition reaction of H2, addition can be chlorine also, you will get that propene, butene. okay na, so common method of preparation is there. And all the members have common functional group. Yes, you should know this thing, all the members should have common functional group. If I am talking about alkane, single bond would be there, alkene, double bond would be there. It's any member, if I am talking about any member. Alkyne also triple bond would be there, and that also the functional group na. okay na, so here higher members of the series is succeeded by CH2 groups or 14 AMU in mass. No problem with that one. we have discussed about that one. There is a gradual change in physical properties of the, yes, some changes it will be in the physical properties, some changes. Why? Because maybe the mass is increases, maybe the number of carbon is increases, maybe the molecular mass is increases, and that's why we can say there is a gradual change in the physical mass. Okay, physical properties. Okay, dear student, so the homologous series we will do in the class. Thank you all of you. Thank you.